Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Alright, so we're in the kitchen with mommy. And today, mommy have a recipe where don't mind the bonnet, you know, it's a chill at home. She have a recipe, I'm going to tell her to the people need to see it. I have to go show you people what I go on. And this is her steamed cabbage. Others overseas may call it fried cabbage. So basically we have, how much cabbage have for someone?
2.
So you have 2 large cabbage and you wash it. How, tell the people them how you do it already.
Just strip it.
Yeah.
And wash it with little salt. And then you rinse off and
This is the organic cabbage from Jamaica. No, I said no chemicals. So these are organic, straight from the farm. We went there and the farmer.
so you have one cabbage you cut in at 2. You cut in at 2, so you have to cut it like this.
If it's your first time with a knife, use a cutting board. Mommy been doing this for a while, so she will just cut directly in her hand. But for safety measures, use a cutting
So you can
board
use a cutting board and
shred it like that.
cut it down, but it go faster to me with the knife, so that's why I use the knife. So here is the oil. I don't put nothing here. I'm gonna put.
So about 2 tablespoons of oil.
Put some butter in there too. So you just put the cabbage in there.
So you don't let the oil heat up. You just put the cabbage directly in the oil. Okay. Because the other night I make some cabbage, man. I tell you, nice. Mr. Mommy, you have to share the recipe, yeah.
So now I'm gonna put some carrot in there. The carrot make it have a good color.
I'll just cut those into little strips. Cut them into your desired shape. Just make sure they're uniform as much as possible so they all cook at the same time. Even cooking. And as I said before, use a cutting board. But mommy been doing this for a minute, so she can go without a cutting board. So far we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 medium cabbage shredded, and we have a medium carrot. Alright, so right here we have 1 small onion, and we just cut that into julienne strips. As normally, me when I'm cooking steamed vegetable, I like to saute my onions and carrots first. But mommy just put in everything all at once.
Everything, and it tastes
so everybody
really
cook
good.
differently. So when I say, you have 1 garlic clove. I'll just dice that up.
You put the pepper.
I have a scotch bonnet pepper. Everything has already been washed. So how much of the pepper you are going to use?
We use more than half.
Okay, so I realize you're skimming around the seeds. Okay, you don't use the seed, right? If you use the seed, that's where all the spice lies within the seed. So you just use the fruit part of it, and that will give you flavor.
Sweet
A little bit of heat. I have about a 1/4 piece of bell pepper. Just cut that into small julienne strips. Make sure it's uniform as much as possible.
Alright, half a tomato.
So use a half of your tomato, and this one is the Roma tomato. Those ones are firm.
Plummy.
Yeah. You call it plummy, me say firm. You come and give you in the water for a man, your hand kind of shrivel up.
Oh God.
You sure? You run out water for a man? Come on, so I don't see your hand them look.
Show me that wash man now. Wash up the plate, massive.
Yeah, your mother hand them look so far.
No, watch me hand them. My hand,
These hands are blessed hands.
Hard working hand.
Blessed hands, man. Yeah.
So I say fingernail and clean. Clean.
Yeah, good at work over there. Good.
Alright, so I'm gonna put on this now and this stove. It clammy.
Then we have right over here some provisions going. Yeah. Okay. So that's a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper.
Can't put too much in here. all-purpose again, but a different one.
So you use 2 different all-purpose. So in total you have about, let me tell you, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. But mommy mixes her all-purpose. She uses 2 different ones, 1 teaspoon of each. A little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Okay. Just stir it up a little bit to incorporate all the seasonings. Very easy recipe. Just one of those quick vegetarian recipes where you can whip up you and the family. You know what I say? Steamed cabbage. A lot of persons refer to it as fried cabbage overseas. You can also add your protein to this recipe.
Any butter of your choice.
So we have a tablespoon of margarine, and mommy just incorporating everything, get that nice and flavorful. I realize she didn't over season because you don't want this to be salty, you know. So the firmer cuts of vegetable goes to the bottom of the pot, so everything cooks at the same time. So how long are you going to steam this for now?
About 15 minutes.
Alright, so mommy said 15 minutes. It should be golden. No mother there. Outside, man. Alright, so 15 minutes has passed. Look at that.
Yes, and what we can stir now. No long waiting.
No water not settled in there. It's not oily, just right. Yeah, man. Trust me, when you taste this, it's so refreshing, light. You know, sometimes eat the red meat, it can be very heavy and hard to digest. This, it's a nice, light, vegan dinner, as I said to you. Alright, you don't want to use this as a meal, you can have this as a side dish too.
Yes,
your choice.
I'll go meat one side.
And the vegetable is still crunchy. That is it, that is it. Quick and easy recipe here on Morriston Cooking by yours truly, Mommy. You know the vibe, aka Miss Pauline, aka Miss Bailey.
It's ready.
Thank you very much again, my mother, for yet another simple recipe that's effective in the kitchen.
Right. This is ready.
Yeah, well, share out and eat now.
Just turn off the stove.
Just like that. And I don't even think it was 15 minutes. It feels like less than that because there's a reason and everything is golden. Try this recipe. If you did this, if it's something that you do before, let me know. Just a typical way how we do it here in Jamaica. But I get to find out that no matter how simple the recipe is, I'm still going to share it because somebody out there doesn't know. And we're here to educate. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel.
Go and big up on yourself.
Just like that. Like, comment, share, and hit subscribe.